This video I am going to show you two easy way restore missing Google Play Store app on your Android phone. If your Play Store is missing your phone, don't worry, you can follow this guide easily recover them. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, open settings. In the settings menu, scroll down slowly. You can find the home screen button, tap to open it. Once you are in the home page, scroll down again. This time you can find the hide apps on home and app screen option. So click to open it. Here you can find your Play Store there. Simply uncheck it and hit the done button and automatically recover it. However, keep in mind my phone not see the hidden section, the Google Play Store. Don't panic, you can easily recover it the second way. To do that, simply go back to the main settings page. After that, scroll all the way to very bottom. This time open apps. After the app page is open, scroll through the page or quickly find them. So use the search bar very top, search for Play Store. Once you found the Google Play Store app, simply tap on it to open the next app info page. After this page is open, right now my Play Store app is currently disabled. To enable it again, simply look at the bottom menu bar. This time select enable button and you have successfully done. Now go back to your home page, open app door and you can see the Google Play Store app appear there. To edit it on your home screen, simply long press it, swipe to the bottom, then set your desired place, and that's is how you can easily recover disappear Google Play Store app on your phone. Thanks for watching. Like this video, possible to share it with your friend.